The culture within Hywel Dda is very supportive. It's supportive of career developments. It's supportive of work-life balance.
Hywel Dda is a unique place to work in because compared to much bigger health boards and things, we can provide a lot of care for patients. It's very personal to them.
For us within paediatrics, we look at professional practice development as a whole health board, so we train all our nurses in specific paediatric training the same way across the board.
An example being my career. They've supported me throughout my career. They've supported me to undertake additional qualifications. They've mentored me.
I've had the opportunity to be able to further progress my career here from a staff nurse to a junior sister.
I think the opportunities here in Glangwili General at the moment are at a really, really exciting stage. We are looking forward to expansion, and so actually to come and join our unit at this point would be a really exciting point in time.
Since coming to Hywel Dda, I've had plenty of development opportunities professionally. I've completed oncology training in UHW, so I've had a lot of training links to provide local service to families that go through a difficult time here. And also the lifestyle, we've got plenty of beautiful beaches and coastal walk paths. It's a really nice work-life balance in Hywel Dda.
A real big benefit as well is the fact that you get sort of very much a homely family atmosphere to the hospital. When if you've managed to work in the same hospital for say a year or so, you quickly find that you know the canteen staff and the porters, and also the different specialties and things, and I like that. I like feeling like I'm not lost in the big system and I'm actually very much part of the team.
It's the best learning opportunity I've had. I have learned so much from being on a general paediatric ward, and my skills have just increased dramatically.
I absolutely love it. I like working with children because I feel like that's where everything starts.